In this problem, we're given two equations, h of x and j of x, and they want us to simplify the expression h of j of x. This is really better off thought of as h of j of x because it really kind of helps us see what we want to do, which is to take this j equation and plug it into the h equation and then simplify it from there. So we've got h of x is equal to negative 6x minus 2. And then j of x is going to be equal to x minus 7. So what we're doing here to find this h of j of x is we're taking our x minus 7 and we're plugging it into the h equation everywhere we see an x. So out of here, our h of j of x equation is now going to look like negative 6, and then instead of x, I'm going to put in parentheses the j equation. So x minus 7 and then minus 2. From here, I just need to simplify this out, so I'm just going to take negative 6 and I'm going to multiply it into both of those pieces. So I'm going to end up getting out negative 6x plus 42 minus 2. And then I just need to combine my like terms. So I end up with negative 6x, and then positive 42 minus 2 is going to end up giving me a positive 40. So that'll be my final answer, and the answer would look like the first option in this situation.